If you think you can't grow flowers, these 5 will prove you wrong. Beautiful, vibrant, and incredibly low maintenance. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate beginner's list. Welcome back to Garden Nest Living. I'm Jenny, and I'm here to help you turn your outdoor space into a sanctuary. Gardening shouldn't feel like a chore. These are the flowers I recommend to everyone just starting out because they are foolproof. First up, marigolds. These are the workhorses of the garden. They're tough, bright, and practically grow themselves. Not only do they look great, but they also help keep pests away from your vegetables. Just pop them in a sunny spot. They love the sun and don't mind if you forget to water them for a day or two. Perfect for busy schedules. Next is one of my personal favourites, sweet peas. There is nothing like the scent of fresh sweet peas in the summer. They are climbers, so they're great for adding height and that classic English cottage garden feel to your space. A little tip, the more you pick them, the more they flower, so don't be afraid to bring bouquets inside. Third on our list, nasturtiums. These are incredibly fast growing and come in such cheerful, fiery colours. Did you know they're edible? The leaves and flowers have a lovely peppery kick, perfect for summer salads. They actually prefer poor soil, so don't worry about feeding them. In fact, the more you neglect them, the better they bloom. Number 4 is cosmos. If you want that airy, whimsical look, these are the flowers for you. They produce flowers all summer long and are a magnet for bees and butterflies. They're just so easy to grow from seed. Just keep deadheading the spent blooms, and they will reward you with flowers right up until the first frost. And finally, we have pansies and violas. These are perfect for small spaces, pots, and hanging baskets. They are incredibly hardy and can even provide colour during the cooler months when other flowers have faded. They come in almost every colour imaginable, so you can really get creative with your container displays. So there you have it, marigolds, sweet peas, nasturtiums, cosmos, and pansies. 5 foolproof ways to start your garden journey. I promise, even if you've never gardened before, you can grow these. It's all about taking that first step. I've put the full list with more planting tips in my latest blog post. I'll leave the link in the description for you. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video. Head over to GardenNestLiving.com for more inspiration.